Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can determine that how many of your friends are rewatching your Snapchat stories. So if you'll click on your profile icon at the top left, you can see this option which says Snapchat Plus. So if you'll click here, you can see that this option which says Story Rewatch. So it will basically show you how many friends have rewatched your story. So before that, I want to make sure that this is a premium feature, but you can get this premium feature for free for a week. So to do this, simply click on the next button, and then you can avail any of the special offer where you will get the first week for free. And then if you are in a really emergency or in a hurry, then you can simply make use of this offer to determine who have watched your Snapchat story. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.